about the operators that we use in programming languages?
Plus minus
Plus
equal.
minus, yeah, those operators. Actually, that was what I was asking. So, what is the name of those operators? Not plus minus, obviously. It has got some different name.
Assignment operators.
Assignment operator is different one, but these plus minus, these things are arithmetic operators.
Okay.
We perform arithmetic operations through these plus minus, product, multiplication, or whatever you say, division, modulus, using those operators. Okay, so while talking about operators, okay, so the first operator which comes in our mind is the unary operator. Okay, which only have one operand. So you can write here unary operator. So we'll start with unary operator. So this one is the class name that I have given. Now write the main, then obviously it will have one operand, so the operand, let it be x, give it some value 33. Now we'll be writing the print statements. Then you write x plus plus, this one is one unary operator. Okay, plus plus, post increment, this one is post increment because we have written this plus plus just after the variable. Okay, that's why it's a post increment operator, and increment means plus plus. Okay, then this one, now we'll be writing pre increment. Now post decrement means minus minus, and this one will be pre decrement, minus minus x. I'll just write the name of these operators here. This one is post increment. Next is pre increment. Post decrement, pre decrement. Okay, and one more thing that I want to write here is plus plus, x plus plus is equal to x. X plus plus means, actually means x equal to x plus 1. Okay, and x minus minus, sorry, minus minus means x equal to x minus 1. Okay, so everyone, write this program and try to run this one, and you will get the value. Are you guys writing this program? Everyone is writing the program or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, write it and type all these comments with your program.
Written.
Okay. What about others? Are you guys writing the program?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What happened, Bornojit?
Yeah, actually, my charge was gone in the laptop. Yeah, so I just it was just off. So yeah,
Okay,
I just
okay.
put it my laptop on charger and joined with
Okay,
the phone.
okay. Fine, fine. Write this program, everyone, and tell me when you're done.
Ma'am, why there is two semicolon in the index?
Where? Acha, it's typing mistake.
Okay.
It's not rule. Okay, it's typing mistake.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Pranjal, Organg, আজি পিছ পৰি আছা নেকি তোমালোক দুজন? লিখিছান নাই?
লিখিছোঁ মেম।
Organg, লিখিছান নাই?
লিখিছো
কি
ডান
হৈছে আজি ক্লাছ কৰিব মন নাছিল নেকি তোমালোক দুজনৰ?
যোৱাকালি ভেকচিন লৈ আহিছোঁ মেম।
Acha, okay, okay. I haven't asked you all. Okay, have all of you got vaccinated? Like, সবে লৈছান নাই vaccine?
Yes, ma'am. Fully vaccinated.
Fully vaccinated. Even ma'am is partially vaccinated, but the students are fully vaccinated. Nice, nice. Very good. আচ্ছা প্ৰাঞ্জল কেনেকুৱা symptoms? জ্বৰ চৰ হৈছে নেকি?
জ্বৰ হৈছে, মূৰ বিষাই আছে।
মোৰ বিষাই আছে। Okay, okay. ক্লাছ সোনকালে শেষ হৈ যাব। টেনচন নলবা। আৰু অৰ্গেঙৰ কি প্ৰব্লেম হৈছে আজি?
একো হোৱা নাই
একো হোৱা নাই। বুজি পাইছা নেকি ক্লাছত? যি পঢ়াইছো?
বুজি
Okay,
পাইছো
বুজি পাইছা। ঠিক আছে। দৰ্শনা তুমি ভ্যাকসিন লৈছান নাই?
Oh, ma'am, Lolo.
Fully?
Oh, ma'am, fully.
Wow, nice. Bornojit, have you taken the COVID vaccines? I don't think that he can hear me. I think he's having some problems. Okay, it's fine. So you see, this one is the post increment operator. Okay, so at first it will see the value or take the value, then it will increase its value, okay, by 1. Then this one is pre-increment. At first it will increase the value, then it will check this, okay, or print this. This one is again the post decrement. At first it decreases the value, oh sorry, it decreases the value last, like post means last decrease করে at first value to low লয়, ঠিক আছে? Next is I cannot write the steps, actually the internal steps here, okay, because as I'm not having the writing pad with me. This one is pre-decrement. It decreases the value at first, then only it prints the value. That's what this post and pre-increment and post and pre decrements are. Okay, now let's move to another unary operator program. Okay, I have given space here. Now it's valid. Let's move to this. We will simply do some addition, okay, for with this pre and post increment and decrements. Okay, so you just take two variables. Maybe I have said one thing wrongly, okay, about this post and pre increment things, about this unary operator, that we have these operators with operands, okay, like along with these operands. এইটো অপাৰেটৰৰ লগতে থাকে, তাৰ লগত তুমি মানে প্লাছ মাইনাছ লিখাৰ দৰকাৰ নহয় ইউনাৰী অপাৰেটৰ্ছ বিলাকত। বাইনাৰী অপাৰেটৰ্ছ বিলাকত অপাৰেন্স দুটা থাকে, ইউনাৰী অপাৰেটৰ্ছত অপাৰেন্স এটা থাকে। ওকে, with unary operator we have only one operand, with binary operators we have two operands with the operator. Okay, I just felt that I did some mistake while explaining this. So you see now, right, post increment plus, we'll add this one, pre increment, or yeah, you can write this, fine. Again you write b minus minus, then you write minus 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 b. You can write, try this one, and then you run this program. You can see the result. Write this program, check the output, everyone. Is it done? Likha hol hokolure?
Yes.
Okay, so moving to the last program for unary operator. There are two more unary operators available which I want to introduce to all of you. Unary operator 2. Let's write this. You write main, then take the values, take small values. Okay, let it be a again 3, then int b again 5. Okay, now you write boolean, will be using boolean data type with this. Take another boolean variable which you write here true, first value true. Okay, then again you write boolean, take another variable, you give the second boolean value false. Okay, now what we'll be doing is we need to use certain operators. So you write out, then you write this one, sorry, this one. You press shift and the key before number 1 in the keyboard. Okay, keyboard number 1 to thakar agot jitu ase hetu press koriba, shift then hetu, then you will get this one. Then you write a, again you write, then you write B, again you write yes, then you write this one, not C, then you again write, then you write again D. Okay, now about these things I'll be writing in comments. So let's write the comment. You write minus of total positive value which starts from 0. Just wait. Next, for this you write another one. This one was minus. Okay, you write plus or positive, you can write anything. Positive of total minus starts from 0. You write opposite of boolean value. This will give the opposite of boolean value. Same here. Program to likha hoise. Have you all written the program?
Yes, ma'am.
Run hoise. Run korila program to.
Oh, hoise.
Hoise. Result kera check kora. Ki ahise. You can take the values for the variables different one also. Okay. Not same with me. You can take different values. Everything that is written with this comment lines, you guys can just relate this. Okay, now we have started what operators. I will not do the arithmetic operators program once again. I'll just simply move to assignment operator. Pranjal or gang likhila,
Yes, ma'am. लिखिलो लिखिलो
Darshana likhila.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Oh, ma'am, complete.
Okay, Bornajit, have you written this one, this program?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Next one is you write assignment operator. Now we'll know about what assignment operator is. Okay, so at first what we'll be doing, we'll be creating variables. So write int is a variable that we are taking. Write int a4. 4 is the value for this variable. Then take another variable int var. Okay, its name is var. Now we'll be using assign value using, okay, so you write var assignment a. This one is the assignment operator. This one equal, single equal is assignment. Equal to is double equal. Okay, now you write. Oh, we need to write the print statement too, so I'll be writing it here only. This is out. Using now you write assign value using plus where equal you write plus a. Okay, now you write I have simply added these operators. Not I haven't added all the assignment operators. Okay, otherwise this program will become very long. We have lots of assignment operators available. I've simply added these three where a then write using this one. Done. Okay, one error is showing. Acha. Okay, what I did is one silly mistake. What I did. Yes, I need to write like this. Okay. Yes, this one. This one is a result. So everyone, write this program. This one is the last program for today's class. After that, this class will get over. লিখি আছানে মোনালিসা দৰ্শনা প্ৰাঞ্জল অৰ্গেং
হৈ গ'ল মেম
হৈ গ'ল ডান ৰিজাল্ট আহিছে
অঁ
আচ্ছা make it okay this one and this one okay done so here you see int a has got one value 4 right this where has not got any kind of value so what we did when we were simply doing the assignment we have kept the value of a with this where in this where okay so a was assigned with the value of 4 so this where has got value of 4 now here you see when it happened like plus and equal okay it happened that where is equal to where plus a okay this means so what happened was where was already taken with what 4 right so 4 plus a 4 plus 4 8 this one now for this one asterisk and assignment yeah for this one the var value was what? 8, right? And the value of a was what? How much? 4 is given here. So 8 fours are how much? কিমান হয়? 4 into 8. কিমান হয় ও? 4 into 8?
32
32. Yes. তো এইটো 32 সেই তেনেকৈ হ'ল যে আগৰ ভ্যাৰটো যিটো ভ্যালু হৈছিল সেইটো লৈছে লৈ এনেকুৱাকৈ তোমাৰ এইটো ভ্যালু হৈছে ঠিক আছে বুজিছা
yes ma'am
okay so this one was the last program for today's class I will stop sharing this video okay so everyone open your front cameras give your attendance and then this class will get over okay wait okay done